The sweetest days I found with you through the years. It's better every day. You kiss my thirst away. As long as it's okay, I stay with you through the years. Nice. Nice song. Very good. Song, very good. Oh, parting time tayo guys, parting time. Ano yung parting time tayo? Oh, parting time guys, parting time. Para sa ating mga beloved followers. So, kanta ko kayo ng parting time. Vocal song lang tayo guys. Wala tayong mga itchiburitsi na Para gumanda yung boses natin, kailangan natin mag-vocal song guys. I remember the days when you were with me. Those laughter and tears we shared for years. Memories that we had. For so long it's me and you. Now you're gone away. You left me all alone. Go do what you want, but please don't leave me. Break my heart. Hey, what should I do? Babe, I'm missing you. Please don't disappear. These are the words that you should hear. Masa. Time and time again, I wish that you were here. I don't wanna lose you, girl. I need you back to me. I don't wanna lose you, baby. Can't you see? Oh, I need you apart. I wish someday you'll be back home. 'Cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home. Malapit na. Lapit na ako gumaling. I wish someday you'll be back home. 'Cause I miss you, darling. Please come home. Oh, kukuha ko na guys. Nakuha ko na. Konting practice na lang to, gagaling ako kumanta. Dito lang pala ako gagaling guys. Kailangan pala magkanta ko na vocal. Para mas marinig ko yung boses ko. Tama to. Pag gumaling ako, sali ako sa Pinoy Got Talent. Ay, hello po Kuya Richard. Thank you po sa pagpunta. Nagpa-practice ako Kuya Richard magkanta. Baka, kasali ako sa Pinoy Got Talent. So ito, mahal pa rin kita. Di maamin nang damdamin na ngayon wala ka na sa